Ever feel like you're being advised by someone who's really just trying to sell you something? That's the tricky part with some gold IRA companies. It's hard to tell if they're actually helping you retire smarter or just pushing their next commission. But there is a simple way to spot the difference. Let me show you. Alright, so here's how you can tell. Look at the language they use. This first example, it's full of urgency. Phrases like limited time offer, free silver, or act now. That kind of copy isn't about helping you retire. It's about getting you to buy fast. Now compare that to a more education focused company. When you scroll through a site like Augusta Precious Metals, you will notice the tone is calm. You will see words like education, learn, or long term. They're not rushing you, they are inviting you to understand what you are doing. That's what a real partner sounds like. If you want to see what a real partnership looks like, check out the free guides I've linked below this video. There are 8 downloadable PDFs, including one called Why Choose Augusta that breaks down exactly how to tell if a company's in it for the long run or just today's sale. Again, the link's in the description, totally free to download. The truth is, it's easy to fall for polished sales language, especially when you're not sure what to look for. That's why these guides are helpful. They're not flashy, they're not hype, they just give you a clear picture of what it means to work with a retirement focused gold IRA company. Especially that Why Choose Augusta PDF, it's all about what long term support actually looks like. So if you want to avoid high pressure sales teams and learn what to look for in a real gold IRA partner, go grab the free guides I mentioned. You will find the link right below this video. Download one or all 8, whatever helps you feel more confident. Take your time and choose a partner who earns your trust.